Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and mini review over the Polygon Siskiu T7 gray color. For those guys who have been curious or interested in getting this bicycle in this color, I've had to wait for a couple months, since sometime last year, and as soon as they came up online in stock, I was able to grab one. I'll talk about the total costs, everything later. This video, remember, this video is not professional. This is an amateur video. I am not a professional whatsoever, so I'm gonna try to take this in one take. Bear with me and pick up, the things that you feel are important to you. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to show you what this bike looks like. So I got this bicycle in a size 29, 29er. This is a 29er. Of course, it's a full suspension bike. I don't do a lot of mountain bike riding, so I just thought I'd get one of these to try it out and see how it goes. It cost me about $1,998, inclusive of taxes. But the prices without the taxes, I think they discounted it to about $1,800. So I don't really have any assistance here. So this is a one-man show. Please bear with me again. I already went ahead and cut the tape off, but I haven't really opened anything else inside. So this is what the bike looks like. I have not taken it out. The tires look really good and grippy here. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so far really good packaging so far. I cannot complain at all. So I'm gonna set up the camera here and start taking out the bike. I have a bike stand right there that I'm gonna use to put this bike together for you guys. There's nothing complex. This is my third Polygon Siskiu bicycle. I started with the D5 and then went over to the D6, and now I'm in the T7. So progressing, I would say. I love the products. The bikes are really well made. I have really no complaints. The last bike that I bought for them was really good. It serves me well, so I thought, why not? So yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. So first thing you're gonna get is this toolbox. It has everything you need to put this bike together. You don't really need to be a professional to get everything together here. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory. So I don't think any of you guys will have any issues putting this bike together. So I'm gonna set up the camera and